You know the number one question asked about real estate on the internet right now? How do I sell my home fast for more money? You want it done fast and you want more money. Do these two words even go in the same sentence? And the answer is yes, no, maybe. You want to sell your home fast and you want the most amount of money, then do everything right up front. 3 key strategies to maximize your price and do it fast is make sure these 3 things are aligned. Number 1, the showing condition in your home. Make it perfect, make it beautiful, so when anybody walks in, they love it. Does it need staged? Does it need painted? Does the flooring need fixed? Get that home in perfect condition. Number 2, price it correctly. The price is going to have the biggest effect on the speed of the sale. And 3, the marketing's got to get done correctly. Make sure you hire a broker who knows how to get to the market quickly. So if you combine condition with price and marketing, your home will sell fast, it will sell for the most amount of money, and that is the only way for that to happen. And let me give you a quick example. We recently visited a home, we'll call it an average part of Southern California, $1 million range type of neighborhood. Can you believe $1 million is an average price? It's actually more. Based on what I saw in this particular home, they had four different kinds of wood flooring. None of them flowed from room to room. Felt very awkward. The home was a little bit cluttered, and we suggested to that seller, let's get the flooring uniform. Let's just make it all the same, paint the home, and freshen it up. This seller agreed, thinking we're going to get around $1 million. Fixed the flooring, painted the home, and staged it. We then decided to raise the price to $1.1 million because it looked so good when it was done. We put it on the market, and the first weekend we had multiple offers. It got bid up to $1,200,000. So fast, beautiful, strong marketing put $200,000 in this particular seller's pocket. And if you need some ideas of how to prep your home for sale to get more money, feel free to click the link in the bio, and we're happy to reach out and give you some coaching on that. Thanks and have a great day.